Guys, so this is my new video. I hope it's not too noisy for you. So for today's video, we are going to make a new thing, which is a skincare, a makeover skincare makeup. So we have all of this. Okay, so I'm going to arrange it first. So the theme for today is K-pop Demon Hunter. Okay, so we have this one, all the toner, and the moisturizer, the beauty moisturizer, and this one, the serum, and also a few makeup. And this is for the eyebrows. And we have a few more of lipstick. And of course, the main character of today is Rumi. Oh my god, look at her. She's in distress. Look at her. All this dirty, we need to take it away. So first, all these leaves we have to take away first. So we are using this one and to chop it out. Chop, 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 chop. I think it's better to use hand. So I'm going to take it like here. Oh, that's so dirty. So right now we have to cleanse her face. So we are using this one first. Okay. Also going to add this soap. And then we rinse it by water. Okay, so all we need to do now is to pluck all the hair. Let's pluck it. And stick. And so we are going to use toner. And then this one. Now we have to take off all the pimples. Okay, so it's time for us to use moisturizer. And this one too. And this one too. We take the last pimple. And then we're going to rinse again with water. We are using the same soap as earlier. Let it sit for a while. Okay, now let's open. Ah, wow, she's so pretty now. Look at her, all smiling. And now we have to do all the makeup. We mix this one too. And then we are going to use and then we are going to click another one and put it on the eyes area too. Okay, ta-da! She looks so pretty now. Thank you for watching.